For Canada's First Nations, it's all about land. The big protest movement from 2012, known as Idle No More, was fueled by government changes to land use policies that Aboriginal communities said threatened their traditional territories. The Supreme Court ruling doesn't address those directly, but it does give many First Nations enhanced land rights, especially in the west of the country.
We're talking about tens of thousands of hectares over large swaths of Canada, and that's significant. Imagine Indigenous nations finally being able to live off of their own lands and territories in a way that they can be self-sustaining.
The ruling comes as Canada increases its production of oil and minerals and plans more pipelines, often on land claimed by Indigenous groups. In the past, governments could and did impose such projects without local consent, but the Supreme Court has changed all that. Affected communities must now be asked for their consent and receive benefits.
This is going to have such an overwhelming impetus for Canadians to get on with the job, and because there's no longer a cloud over the First Nations assertions, this winning streak, they have to step up and help commercialize it. Canadians, their successes, and Canadians have to step up and find reconciliation measures to make this country complete.
And that will involve new cases as land rights here are re-examined in light of this new ruling. Many cases will have to make their way through the lower courts with the Supreme Court ruling very much in mind. It's safe to say the legal landscape here has changed overnight. Canada's government says it's studying the ruling and will look at the impact on plans to develop natural resources. But for now, the country's First Nations, long the poorest, least privileged members of this wealthy society, can look forward to a different relationship with those who want what lies beneath land they've always regarded as their own. Daniel Lack, Al Jazeera, Toronto.